Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing caliper covers for the Jeep Wrangler. Enhance the look of your Jeep with this simple yet effective upgrade. Let's get started. In this video, we're focusing on both front and rear caliper cover installation. Begin with removing the wheels from your vehicle to access the calipers. Let's start with the front caliper cover installation. First up, the fitment check. It's essential to ensure that the caliper covers align perfectly with your car's calipers. This step is key to a sleek and professional look. Next, let's focus on cleaning. Thoroughly clean the brake caliper to ensure a pristine surface for the adhesive. Now, it's time for glue preparation. Carefully identify the areas on the caliper where the glue will be applied. Precision here will lead to a stronger bond. Moving on to applying adhesive. Apply the glue to the designated areas on the brake caliper. Ensure that you apply a sufficient amount of glue to fill the gaps between the caliper covers and the brake calipers. Once the glue is applied, we'll secure the cover. Align the cover carefully and apply firm hand pressure to ensure it's securely attached. It's all about getting that perfect fit. Follow along as we repeat these steps for the rear calipers, ensuring your Jeep looks its best from every angle. The rear caliper cover installation follows the same steps. Let's quickly run through them. After installation, give the adhesive at least 2 hours to dry fully. And that's it. Your Jeep Wrangler is now equipped with sleek, modern caliper covers. Remember, precise and careful installation ensures the best results and longevity for your caliper covers. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly enhanced Jeep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more guides and tips on car customization. Drive safe and in style.